Tuesday AM New York session trade recap. Went into the session, was mostly bullish. Um, Essentially, price is trending up. It made sense that you're going to see some sort of expansion up into deliver and sell side to deliver into yesterday's high as well, Monday's high. You ran through an hourly bearish fair value gap earlier during the London session, so kind of the price action I was seeing was telling me price wants to go higher. Plus we did have standard deviations which were placing us to go higher. And I didn't really see the picture for price to go lower. I just couldn't see it yet. Maybe price wanted to be bearish once it took sell side, but for at least the market open, session open, I was definitely very bullish. Essentially, not until the session open did I really see anything that was nice. Price kind of just consolidated till New York opened, New York session opened. Once the session did open, we saw quite a few swings higher and lower. It's quite a volatile open, nothing clean and consistent. Price went up and took the first target of sell side, which I believe was, took a London high up first with an expansion to open price action. And essentially, I was still bullish at this point. Maybe you could have seen price go down. Essentially, what I did say, I expected price to go down if we had a bearish close below this 2-minute inverse fair value gap, or if we created a 2-minute inverse fair value gap here. That was the only picture for maybe bearish story back to this low here. Wasn't necessarily expecting price to go all the way down here and start hunting all this liquidity here. Didn't really think price wanted to do that. I think bias was bullish, so I didn't really expect price to do that, but my first trade of the day came in here. I was on the 30-second chart in this case here, and I saw this manipulation move lower. It took these lows out here, took some form of sell side, and we formed this really nice inverse fair value gap here on the 30 seconds. Once that confirmed, took an entry long around here. I targeted those recent highs, and my stop was below here, of course. Once we did move higher, I did put it up to break even once it kind of delivered up in this area. Put it to break even. Price essentially took my profit take, and essentially it was a nice winning trade. But that was just really clean. New York open, some sort of form of buy side liquidity swept, 30-second inverse fair value gap, clean, higher sell side to deliver to target. We later got this expansion moved down before price wanted to move higher, which was really nice. Another really nice manipulation leg lower for higher prices. I think the only thing here was a really nice 2-minute inverse fair value gap. That would have been a really nice setup here as well. Essentially 10 a.m., essentially 10 a.m. macro, some form of buy side. Liquidity was swept. It's kind of it's literally the exact same setup that I took, but on a higher time frame. But that was the one setup I took. It was clean to me, made sense, had really nice R&R.